Really?
Oh, yes. Take a listen.
What's that sound? Can you hear it? Cricket singing, chirper, chirper, chirp. In the night they sing along to a chirper, chirper, chirper cricket song. What's that sound? Can you hear it? Pitter patter, pitter pat.
Raindrops dropping, sound like that. Pitter patter, pitter pat.
Maybe it's a great big cloud dripping water really loud. Water dripping, drip, drip, drop. I wonder when it's going to stop. Drip, drop, dripping through the night.
There's a whoosh, 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 whistling through the trees. There's a whoosh, 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 whistling in the breeze. It must be the wind playing a tune, singing her favorite song to the moon.
Hear the sound all around us. That's nice. Hear the sounds all around us.
Hear the sounds all around us. Shh, don't make a peep. Crickets rain and the wind has found us. Night will sing us all to sleep.
So, are you feeling better, Sweet Pea Sue?